making noise. Today we are talking defensive ends, and we're going to Killeen, Texas. And we talking my guy, Amir Ward. 6'1", 235 pounds of ball savage. Ward had 43 hurries last season, 75 tackles, while only recording 3 sacks. If he didn't get to the quarterback with 43 hurries, somebody else should have got to him. This kid is very impressive. High intensity, very athletic, and very aggressive. Off the ball, he's very quick, has a nice first step. He can get upfield very fast and get after your running back or your quarterback. Pay attention to Amir Ward. This kid is super impressive.